c'est encore ouvert.
Alright guys, just notice me when you see me. Just give me a heads up when you see me. Alright, so we are here with the double box from eBay Ultimate. So 450 Sports. So everyone has paid, so let's go. So good luck everyone. So we have 2 boxes. First box. Good luck guys. Number to 499 for the Ducks, Ryan Getzlav. Number to 499 for the Calgary Flames, Brett Tolbera. And we have a disgusting it coming. For the Edmonton Oilers, number to 399, Will Acton. And for Nashville, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 colors. 5 colors, guys. Seth Jones. And if you can, I'm not sure you can see it on the camera, but there's really 5 tint of color. Seth Jones, number to 25. Really, really nice card, guys. I don't know who had Nashville, but Brian, if you have the ice and you want to trade it or sell it, just PM me. I am interested. Number to 499 for the Montreal Canadiens, Carey Price. Number to 499 for the Tampa Bay Lightning, Tyler Johnson. Number to 299 for the San Jose Sharks, Matt Irwin. And number to 100, that's not a nice patch though. White patch, Valeri Nichushkin. Alright guys, so thank you very much. Have a nice evening.